everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm gonna be sharing my FE jewelry collection, and if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. FE is one of the largest jewelry manufacturers in the United States, and they are headquartered in the Diamond District, New York. So let me start off by showing you the very first piece that I have ordered from FE. This was the very first jewelry piece that I ever purchased from them, and I really liked it so much that I started purchasing more of their jewelry. So the first item that I have here is a earring. So these are the hoop earrings, and they are in 14 karat rose gold with pave setting diamonds. These are called huggies because they hug your earlobe so perfectly, and they go with most of the Indian and also the Western outfits. So this was one of my favorite purchase and the very first purchase from them. I'm also gonna be sharing the price if anyone is just interested. This jewelry piece was a part of the final sale, which means it's under the discount, and I have got it for around $856, and the MRP was around $1200. So that was a very good deal for me. So I have purchased this diamond hoops. These are my very first diamond hoops. I have shared about Lord & Taylor's store getting closed around the US in all of their locations in my Black Friday haul video. If you haven't watched that, just go and watch all the stuff that I have purchased from Black Friday. Lord & Taylor carried FE jewelry and they were getting closed. So all of the fine jewelry was on 75% off. So I thought this would be the perfect time to get all the jewelry pieces that I wished for from FE. So making use of this opportunity, I have ordered online from Lord & Taylor. I have ordered 2 neck pieces from Lord & Taylor online website. So the very first item that you see here is a necklace. So let me check. As Lord & Taylor was getting liquidized, I thought of purchasing a diamond necklace, something which is in white gold, because in United States when you go out, that is what most people prefer, and that is what I see everyone wearing around. So I thought I should at least have one classic piece of white gold necklace. So I thought of getting one. This is a pear shape diamond drop necklace, as you can see. So the bale has got very nice diamonds, and then the pendant itself is in pear shape, and you can also call it as teardrop, and it is surrounded with halo of diamonds along with center diamonds. So these are set of smaller diamonds that make them look like a bigger one. This necklace is in 14 karat white gold, and believe me, I went to Black Friday shopping wearing this necklace, and I was getting little scared because every other person was just staring at this neck piece because it was just popping out. It was giving so much of shine, so much of brilliance, that made me feel that I made a right decision purchasing this one. It has got a lobster clasp with a ring at 16 inch, and plus you can also have it down to 18 inches as well. I really like the attention to detail in this particular piece, because if you see not just the front of the diamond but also even the back of it, this pendant is never gonna get stuck up on any of the clothes that you wear. Even when you see the back of the pendant, there is this design at the back of the pendant with signature FE Panther logo. I never had a diamond pendant before, so I never knew how well the diamond sparkles, but believe me, no stone can ever be equivalent to a diamond in terms of the sparkle. You can see there's so much of sparkle even in a daylight. So coming to the price of this necklace, it was for $1800, but as it was on sale at Lord & Taylor, I have got it for $477 including taxes. So that was a very nice deal to get a designer necklace, and that too for below 500. Come on, what are you just talking about? One thing about me is I love pearls. How can that be that I do not purchase any pearl item from such a huge discounted piece? So I've got one pearl necklace as well from Effie with a discount, and this price is just unbeatable. So let me first show you the piece, then I'm gonna talk more about it. Yeah, so even this piece I've ordered from a Lord and Taylor online, but unfortunately after Thanksgiving I believe they stopped their online website, so now you don't have Lord and Taylor website, or else I would have ordered more. But anyways, so this is the pearl necklace that I have ordered. This is in 14 karat yellow gold chain, and the pearl is kind of blush pearl, and it has got that bail which is very nice, very substantial, and even the weight of this pearl should be, I believe, more than 3 grams, because this is really heavy, very substantial weight pendant. The shine, the luster, the size of the pendant is so good. You know, if you work somewhere and you are pretty not sure of what you're gonna wear every single day, then just try a simple pearl necklace. So it goes with any business casual outfit, and it looks so good, it looks so sophisticated. It instantly lifts up any outfit that you wear. You can have pearl strand like the one I am wearing. If you're a simple person and you do not want to have something so catchy around your neck, then this simple, plain, sophisticated pearl necklace would be a perfect fit. Now coming to the price of this one, let me check. This pearl necklace MRP was $525, and after the discount I have scored it for, guess what, $140 including taxes. So a 14 karat necklace from a designer with a pearl for $140. Come on, just give it to me. It has got a lobster clasp. Now that you have seen Effie collection in pearl, rose gold, white gold, and also hoop earrings, the very last item that I have from this designer is a necklace again in sterling silver, because you know, when you don't want to pay huge amount and still want to have that look of a diamond, then sterling silver with rhodium plating is something that you have to look into. And the next piece that I am about to show you is a sterling silver piece, and this was just for $150. But then, you know what, I have not purchased this from Effie, nor have I purchased this from Lord and Taylor. I have purchased this from online reselling shops, and this was a new piece that the person was selling out, because you know, generally people just purchase jewelry, maybe they wear it or they may not wear it, they just don't want it anymore in the closet, so they just try to pass it on to someone who will enjoy it more. So this is the new piece that I have got from a online website, and this one is silver necklace with a bouquet of diamonds. It's like, you know, there are diamonds around and then a center diamond. The size of all the diamonds is same. The pendant is a bouquet of diamonds and it looks stunning. The diamonds are of same quality as that of the white gold ones. You get the same shine, the same brilliance, the same look, but for a lower price. In a long run, the rhodium plating on the sterling silver will eventually wear off. However, you can just get it recoated if you want, or you can just use it as is. If your budget is low, then this is something that you may want to give a try. This is on a rope chain. This has got spring clasp. So if you have made to this far of the video, then I want to give you a bonus peep into my jewelry box. So this is the jewelry box that I have got it from Etsy. So this is the jewelry box with all the jewelry pieces, and it has got 2 tiers. And if you want me to make a jewelry haul with the rest of my pieces which are not designer, which are just fine jewelry of gold, silver. Then like this video. Have a great rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the weekend. As you can see, it has been snowing since morning and now it started raining. The weather here has just gotten cold and I am just loving this weather. And thank you so much for watching. Stay cozy, light up all those bath and body work candles, get into the cozy throws that you have picked up from Black Friday, and then stay warm with a hot chocolate. Take care. Bye. Oops, how can this happen? That I made a video and did not even ask for you guys to subscribe. Guys, come on, just subscribe to my channel. You'll be seeing more of such videos. And also, if you want to get into my jewelry box collection, then do subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you later. Bye.